Welcome to the new episode of Photoshop tutorial via me. So I'm gonna show you how I made this picture using Photoshop only, of course, and Camera Raw. So without any further ado, let's get started. So first I found this beautiful picture of this woman right here holding a nothing, but the idea behind this is that she holds a star, right? So that's the whole idea. So I find this star and I started cropping the star, making it white. I erased the part of the star where you could see her fingers because she's holding him, right? So I just do that. I added a little bit of glow to the star here. So glows to the hand, I guess. Alright, so I added this beautiful sky because I wanted to replace it. Using other options, I matched her to the sky. I decided to blur the sky and have that little bit of bokeh effect. I found these falling stars and I thought they look pretty cool. I decided to add palm trees to the lower part of the picture to make it more fulfilling. I adjusted the contrast, the color and the brightness of the palms to match the rest of the picture. I decided to add a lot of bokeh and dust particles effect. Then I blurred the stars, of course, to match the background. And in the end, of course, used camera filter to blend it all in and make it look cooler and prettier. Alright guys, so that's about it. Hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure to like, subscribe and turn on that bell. And I see you in the next video. And if you want to recreate this image, sure, go ahead. But if you're gonna post it on social media, make sure to give me a credit, alright? See you guys in the next video. Bye.